Welcome to JAZ Kiddies Spellings class. Today we're learning two-letter words. If you're ready, let's begin. A-M is am. A-M is am. A-N is an. A-N is an. A-S is as. A-S is as. A-T is at. A-T is at. B-E is B. B-E is B. B-Y is by. B-Y is by. D-O is do. D-O is do. G-O is go. G-O is go. H-E is he. H-E is he. I-F is if. I-F is if. I-T is it. I-T is it. I-N is in. I-N is in. I-S is is. I-S is. M-E is me. M-E is me. M-Y is my. M-Y is my. N-O is no. N-O is no. O-F is of. O-F is of. O-N is on. O-N is on. N-O is no. N-O is no. O-R is or. O-R is or. S-O is so. S-O is so. T-O is toe. T-O is toe. U-P is up. U-P is up. U-S is us. U-S is us. U-S is us. W-E is we. W-E is we. A-T is at. A-T is at. Welcome back to JAZ Kiddies Spellings class. Hope you've learned all the two-letter words. If you can't remember or forget any word, you can watch this video again to learn all the two-letter words. Thank you for watching our two-letter words. You can also watch our three-letter word series. Thank you and goodbye.